Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to insert and use pictures in Excel. There are a few ways in which you can insert pictures. So the first method to insert pictures is to insert them normally, that is copy and paste. So you'll have the image in your worksheet and then you can change the size of the image to fit in wherever you want. You can also use the insert picture method, which lets you choose pictures from your computer, from your device, or you can choose from online pictures. So if I go to online pictures, say birds. So again, you have the picture of bird. Now you can resize it and place it wherever you want. So when you insert an image in your worksheet, you must remember a few things. First is that pictures by default are floating objects, so they do not lock to the cell. You have to adjust the cell width and place them manually. To resize the image, always use the corner handles to increase or decrease. It maintains the proportion of the image. To drag it sideways, it distorts the image. So use the corner handles to resize image. When working with images, here's an important tip that will help you adjust an image within a cell. So instead of trying to use the corner handle to increase or decrease the size, you can also use Alt key. So press Alt and then try to drag the image. You see the image snaps to the boundaries. I'll do Ctrl Z. So press the Alt key and then try to drag the image. So the image will snap to the cell boundaries, makes it easier to fit the image within the cell. You can also place these images in a container. So go to Insert, Illustrations and Shapes. Select this rectangle and we'll try to copy it there. Now you see, if I put the rectangle, it does not automatically cover the entire cell. We have to drag it. So other way is press Alt and then try to draw it. Now you see that the shape has entirely covered the cell. Copy that onto the next cells also. Now for each of these shapes we'll insert images. So you select this, see the shape format, shape fill, you say picture, select picture. In this case I'll select from the stock images. I'll just enter line here. You can see the line image in the cell. Similarly I'll do it for now you can increase the width or the height. Next we'll see how to insert background image in the worksheet. A background image is an image which basically lies behind the text. So we first go to shapes and then I select a rectangle. Next I select the size of the area where I want the background image. Once that is done, I'll right click it and I'll say format. Here under fill there's an option to insert picture. So I'll select picture, go to the insert option and select the picture source. So I'll say insert. In this case I'll select a stock image. So here I choose this image. So here you have the picture, but need to send it to the background. For that, change the transparency here. We keep it to say about 70-75%. So that's how you add background image in a worksheet. Excel also provides the image function, which is available only in recent versions of Excel. You can use the image function to insert image in the worksheet. So if you're maintaining a product catalog with the names and prices of the products, you can also insert an image. And you can pick the image from some other place. To use the image function, just provide image and then you provide the URL of the image in quotes, enter. It will insert the image in the worksheet. You can adjust its position and size as per your liking. Excel also provides the place image inside cell feature, which is again available in the more recent versions of Excel. You can also use the header and footer to insert image, such as logo. The image will appear in the background. You print it. Go to the header and footer. You go to View tab. Go to Page Layout. Shows you the header and the footers. Go to Header and Footer. You see you have the option to add a picture. Click on Picture. I'll choose a picture of yellow car. It inserts an image in the background. I'll come to the normal view. Now I do print preview. See, it shows the image in the background and you have their lion, dog, bird here. So usually header and footer is the right place to insert logo. So you can insert pictures in the header and the footer as well. So these are the various ways in which you can insert images in Excel and work with it. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.